Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you must have enjoyed your winter vacations. So, welcome back to your maths class. Today, we are going to start our new chapter number 15, Constructions. Here in the first topic, we are going to start the construction of line segment. A line segment can be drawn by two ways, by scale and by using a pair of compass. So everyone knows how to draw a line with the help of scale. So here I am telling you how to draw a line segment with the help of compass. We can draw any line segment of any given measurement. As I had given here, AB is equals to 6 centimeter. So we will draw a line segment of 6 centimeter with the help of compass. So for that, what we have to do? We will take a scale and draw a ray L. With the starting point A. Now, for the particular measurement of 6 centimeter, we will take the scale and take the radius of 6 centimeters in our compass like this. Right? Now this compass have the radius of 6 centimeters. So what I will do, I'll put the pointer on point A and will mark a arc on ray L intersecting at point B. So this is our point B and this is the line segment of the given measurement 6 centimeters. In this way, we can draw any line segment of any particular measurement which is given to us with the help of compass. Now comes the construction of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So for this, we will draw a line segment. Suppose we are checking the line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. This A, B, and it is of 8 centimeters. Now what we have to do, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So what we will do, we'll take the compass and take A as the center and the radius more than half of AB. More than half of AB. Now we'll draw two arcs above and below the line segment in this way. Next we will take B as the center and mark another arcs which will intersect the previous arcs at 2 points. Here we got 2 points. This is C and this is D. So when we join C and D point, we will get a line segment which is perpendicular to AB. If we want to know is this perpendicular or not, what we will do, we'll take a protractor and we will place it on the point intersection of both the line segment, that is point O. And we'll put our protractor on it and we will see that this is an angle of 90 degree, which shows that this is a perpendicular bisector of the line. So this angle is 90 degree. This made it perpendicular. Now I will measure the distance of AO. It is 4 centimeters. And OB, it is also 4 centimeters. So this shows that this point O is the midpoint of the line's
segment AB, as it has a CD line segment bisected it in two equal halves, and AO becomes 4 centimeters and OB becomes 4 centimeters, and the angle is 90 degree. That's how we can construct the perpendicular bisector of any line segment. I hope you understood the concept of constructing a line segment with the help of compass and the construction of perpendicular bisector of line segment. Thank you.